Okay, for number 13, it is asking you to evaluate the following expression for x equals 6. So we have k to the negative 3 power. So what I'm going to do for this one is simplify it first. So I'm going to move that k to the negative 3 underneath 1 and make the exponent positive. Then it says to evaluate, so I got to substitute 6 in for k. I'll have 6 to the 3, which would be 1 over 216. So I will have 1 over 216. That's number 13. Number 14, I have u to the 0 power over p to the negative 3 power, and I need to evaluate it for p equals negative 4 and u equals 2. So the first thing I notice is that u to the 0 power. I'm going to make it, highlight it, and make it 1, because anything to the 0 power except for 0 is going to be 1. So I have 1 over p to the negative 3rd power. So then I'm going to highlight, or not highlight, I'm going to move up to p to the negative 3rd up top, since it is a negative exponent, and I have p to the positive 3rd power. Now I'm going to substitute in negative 4. Negative 4 to the 3rd power is negative 64. So I will have negative 64 for number 14. Okay, number 15. The number of visitors to a certain website triples every month. The number of visitors is modeled by the expression 8,100 times 3 to the m exponent, where m is the number of months after the number of visitors was measured. Evaluate the expression for m equals negative 4. What does the value of the expression represent in this situation? So first we need to evaluate, and we can do that simply on the calculator. So first, showing you what I do, I replace the m with negative 4, because m equals negative 4 and m is the exponent. Okay, so in the calculator we can do this. We can have 8,100 times 3 to the exponent of negative 4. Now I can press enter, I will get 100. So my answer would simply be 100. Now it says, what does the value of the expression represent in this situation? So there were 100 visitors. Now m represents months. So if 0 is the starting point, negative 4 is going to be before the starting point. So it's going to be 4 months before the number of visitors was measured, because 0 is the starting point. Okay, that's number 15. Number 16. Simplify the exponential expression. Notice how all of this is being raised to the 0 exponent. That means that entire answer just becomes 1. And your answer is 1 for number 16.